Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will learn how to create urban filter in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some sample photos before and after effects. First open the Lightroom. Next go to the lights. Exposure to -0.20. 50 for the contrast. -23 for the highlights. Increase the shadow up to 46. -80 for the whites. And increase blacks up to 60. Go to the curve and follow the steps shown. Next go to color and vibrance to 50. Now let's select mix to mix the colors. First choose red. Hue to down, 14. -50 for saturation. And 14 for luminance. Next go to orange. 10 for hue. Bring saturation down to -23. And 26 for luminance. Now go to yellow. Hue down to -100. Saturation to -30. And luminance to 26. Now move to green. Bring the saturation of green to -100. Now move to aqua. -100 for saturation. Now select blue. -100 for saturation. Now select purple. Again -100 for the saturation. Now move to pink. Bring saturation down to 100. Done. Let's move to effect. "60 for clarity. Dehaze to 20 and -10 for vignette. Let's move to details. 20 for sharpening. And noise reduction for 35. Color noise reduction to 1. Details to 50. And 50 for smoothness. Switch on lens profile correction. Now save the picture. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to like the video.